welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. It lets me know that you really care, or at least know that you're there. I appreciate you being here with me today, and we are unboxing the May 2022 base box of Boxycharm. And I don't remember what I chose, but it's always a surprise what I get in here. The box is pretty beat up. And let me get my glasses on. I always need my glasses to read these cards, ladies and germs. We've got a little piece of packing paper. And it looks like a nice box of stuff. And it is Super Bloom this month. And I'm going to get my calculator out so we can see what the value is. This is a $28.99 box. And we at least get our value out of it for sure. And it's supposed to be valued at an average of $175 is the average. But they always say that you'll get at least $125 worth of value. So first off is from Skin Inc. It is the Serum Glow Filter, and it is a unique serum with rare gold hibiscus extract that acts as a makeup base to smooth and even skin tone. Great, so this is like a primer with anti-aging and brightening benefits. It makes pores less visible and gives a pearl finish, which I like a glowy look. It says use 1 to 2 pumps before makeup. And on the card it says glow up the world's first skincare makeup serum glow filter, blending beauty and technology in one bottle. This clever concoction is formulated with the gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc.'s top 2 best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for day use and is personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy pearlized finish and reducing appearance of pores and red tones. $50. That is a good way to start. Let's take a look at it. And I will be putting this over here to my right with my, ooh, it's got little bubbles in it. Little capsules. Very cool. This is very cool looking. And I will look forward to using this. It's got a little protector. I'm not going to pump it out just yet. We'll put it back in the box for this moment. But that's very exciting. I need primers. I need primers in my life. And then next we have from Air Hug Concealer. Oh, I chose this from Item Beauty by Addison Rae. When you need to course correct, this medium to full coverage concealer is the way to go. This lightweight formula features Carica papaya fruit extract to deliver a boost of yummy antioxidants like vitamin C and lends a smooth, seamless finish. Its pillowy texture glides on effortlessly and melts into your skin without a crease in sight. $18. So let's take a look and see how this matches. And I got this in shade 100, which is a very fair, because I'm very fair. And this is a big honkin', this is a giant thing of concealer. Let's test it out with a giant doe foot. Looks like a good match. Let me blend it in. It's definitely a full coverage. That'll work great. That'll work great. Let me just wipe this off the back of my hand. But look at that. It's really nice. This is going to be great. I look forward to trying this out. I'm currently using an Armani concealer that I got from Buzz Agent for free, and I love it. It's a lot lighter kind of coverage, and it's a lighter texture. And next up from Kate Somerville, Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer, which we always love Kate Somerville. Revive dull, lackluster looking skin with Kate's Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients to remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. $70. Let's take a look. It's kind of a smallish jar. And of course it's got the little winky face. It's a pretty pale green color. Oh, it smells amazing. It's got a beautiful vanilla kind of cream, citrusy kind of deal going on with that scent. Very cool. So far, I'm liking everything that I got. Next up is from V Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick. And it doesn't say what the color is. Oh, there's a little hole at the bottom, but I can't read it through that hole. Oh, this is pretty. That's a pretty color, but I absolutely do not need another lipstick. I have probably way too many as it is. I need to go through them. But this is unlike any other lip color you've ever seen. This liquid velvet lipstick is the product you need to add to your makeup kit. Formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long-wearing, make a unique statement with your fashion-forward vibe. $22, and this color is called Bubbly. 22. All right. And then last but not least from Yensa, it's the skin. Oh, it's really lackluster. Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge. This Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge gives you a full coverage with skin-like finish, multi-purpose and reusable with a gentle wash after use, gentle on skin, $18. Let's take a look at this $18 sponge. I don't use sponges hardly at all anymore. I'm all into brushes, but this is a really nice double angle. This is great. This is a great sponge. If I was going to use a sponge, I'd like that. And it's got a nice light texture to it. So this is like, but I love 3 out of the 5 things. So we've got the sponge. We've got the lipstick. We've got the Exfoliate Moisturizer. We've got the concealer. And we've got the primer serum, which is very cool. And the total today is $178. So we've definitely beat that $175 average that the boxes usually are. So definitely got your money's worth today. I'm very happy with my box. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.